We're back. This is Leo's Tech and Lifestyle. I'm about to unbox the Wyze deadbolt lock. So exciting. They give you a sticker. Well, in my case, I backed the product for them. Literature. Not too thick, but very intuitive. As you see, you only are placing the inside, the latch of the door, and the keying mechanism are staying in place. They give you the batteries. Your batteries included. The bridge, the Wi-Fi bridge. So you're going to connect it via Bluetooth to the lock itself. Pretty sturdy. They made it out of some sort of aluminum. Fits over your existing setup, so it should fit directly over the key latch coming from the other side of the door. Bolts onto the same bolts, I'm assuming. Let's take a look. What else is in here? Adapters for the latches, different sizes. Actually, this is pretty sturdy, and they give you a metal plate which attaches to the door itself, securing your lock on the outside of the door to the door itself. That's actually pretty good, and it's adjustable in height, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting your door. This is so good. Not much else in the box. First impression, has a few gram weight on it. I would say about 30 grams. Mechanism by itself is easy to move even with one finger. Let's see. Oh, okay. It will have a little bit more weight once it's connected to that other side of the door. Not much to it. Only a few pieces. That's it. I'll show you more when I install it. From this point of view, looks like a sturdy lock. I'll be right back.